Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Apple ID trusted devices, security management step by step clearly. On your iPhone or iPad, open the Settings app from the home screen. Tap your name at the top to open Apple ID settings. Select Sign In and Security to view your account protection options. Tap two-factor authentication and make sure it is turned on. Go back one screen and tap Devices to see every device signed in with your Apple ID. Read the list slowly and look for any device you do not recognize. Tap a device name to open its details and verify the model and iOS, iPadOS, or macOS version. Check the serial number if you need to match it with the device you own. If a device is yours, confirm it has a passcode or password enabled on that device. If you see an unknown device, tap Remove from Account and confirm. If you removed an unknown device, immediately change your Apple ID password. Go back to Sign In and Security and tap Change Password. Create a strong password that you have never used before and save it in a trusted password manager. Return to Sign In and Security and tap Trusted Phone Numbers. Add a phone number you control, then verify it with the code Apple sends you. Remove any old or unfamiliar phone numbers that could receive verification codes. Now open the Find My app to confirm your main devices are visible and protected. In Find My, check that Find My iPhone or Find My iPad is turned on for your device. If you use a Mac, click the Apple menu and open System Settings. On Mac, click your name, then open Sign In and Security. On Mac, open Devices and review the list just like on iPhone or iPad. Remove any Mac or iPad you no longer use to reduce security risk. On each device you keep, make sure you are signed in with the same Apple ID you trust. Turn on automatic updates so security patches install as soon as possible. Check that your device time and date are set automatically to avoid verification issues. If you think someone accessed your account, visit appleid.apple.com and review account activity. Sign out of devices you do not control and sign back in only on your personal devices. Repeat this device review every few months to keep your trusted device list clean and secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.